Alright guys, purpose of this video is to talk about our core offerings and the price points that we have for those core offerings and how to delineate between Alright guys, purpose of this video is to talk about our core offerings and the prices that we have for those core offerings. Alright, so here's what we got. Far right, what we do. Personal training, strength, boot camp, sports performance. Those are what we do in the gym. That's it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go through each piece. Personal training, you get a individualized coach. Personal training can be semi-private based, can be semi-private. So William Savoy training, just Brittany, or William Savoy training, Brittany, Ashley, and Johnny. Difference between that and boot camp or strength is that they get individualized programming. So that is PT, right? Strength is CrossFit, right? Basically, at the time of making this document, I am not a CrossFit affiliate. I cannot call it CrossFit. However, the North location will be affiliated with CrossFit. So CrossFit at the North, Strength at the South, both using the same exact program, guys. Same exact program. So that's Strength. Boot camp. With boot camp, it is non-barbell. So difference between strength and boot camp. Strength uses barbell Olympic movements. Boot camp does not. So boot camp is a little more susceptible to my beginner. Ideally, all beginners can do either class, but it is recommended that if you're going to do the strength class, you go through on-ramp. So personal training, strength, boot camp, sports performance, middle and high school athletes, kids that want to jump faster, get stronger. Main emphasis with that is like, quickness, explosion. We put our athletes through different rigors in that point, but ideally, a lot of our youth kids should be able to stem through the strength / CrossFit and boot camp. So those are the 4 things we do. Make sure you know our core values. Hold yourself accountable. Be a divergent thinker. Relentless work ethic. Build community. And if by Rudyard Kipling. Make sure you know who we are and why we do what we do. This is something that is in the sales binder. However, it is very applicable for this. So that's what we do. That's who we are. Let's go over the price points for each of these categories. Let's talk about our FEOs first. So front end offers. So FEO stands for front end offer. Make sure you know that. In here, let's talk about this. People come through Facebook ads, right? Or people want to do trials. We charge $110, right? The difference in the $10 is a shirt. And if we don't have shirts or somebody wants to hold us to the $99, it's just $99, not $110. Difference is a shirt. Here's what you get with 1 month of boot camp. It's just 1 month. So front end offer means 1 month, no commitment. Our goal is to show you a great time in that first month that you want to stay longer. So you get a certified coach. You get free nutritional guide and emails that are done through MailChimp. You get workouts via Wodify and 2 accountability check-ins from each coach. Regressions and progressions to match your fitness level. This is what we do. This is who we are. We literally can guarantee these 5 things. You get a coach. You get an email series that has 10 emails that have some nutritional concepts in there. You'll get, if by request, if you want the workouts a day in advance, we can put you in Wodify. You get 2 accountability check-in calls, and you get regression and progressions to match your fitness level. This is what we do. This is who we are. That is our 1 month trial for boot camp. Now, on the back side of that, you have your other FEO, and this one is $210 a month. Again, the difference with the 10 is the t-shirt, and if we don't have any t-shirts, it's just $200. So here's what you get here. You get a coach. You get nutritional meal plan via MailChimp, so emails. Meal guide will be in there. Workouts by Wodify. 2 in-body scans or measurements. 3 semi-private sessions. 2 accountability check-in calls, and regressions and progressions to match your fitness level. Guys, basically the only difference here is that they get the 3 on-ramp sessions. Depending on location, you'll get your in-body scan or measurement, but you just get 3 on-ramp sessions. With those on-ramp sessions, we will take you through all the foundational movements for boot camp or strength, and it comes at a value of $30, $33 per session. So here's my 110, right? And then here is my 210. difference is you get the 3 one-on-one sessions, right? Very, very important. We want to put all of our people here. All of our people need to go towards this Metabolic Reboot Plus on-ramp. It's $100 more. It pays the coaches more. And on top of that, it allows us to really build a bond with the clients instead of being in a large group, getting to know them. So everything wants to shoot here. Next, prices for our adults, right? These are our regular 12-month CO core offering packages. Difference between FEO and CO is that FEO is a 1-month trial. We have to get them to stay. CO means they're in here for a while. Let's go through this. Training camp. You get, so let's start here at the top. Everybody's first month is $297, right? $297. It's literally the same thing as this, except it's not a trial, right? So month 1 is $297. There's a couple errors in here. You get 3 semi-private sessions, unlimited access to class. You get a call with the coach, and the only thing that you don't get is the healthy meal choice and the welcome kit. I'll get that edited. So you get 3 one-on-ones, unlimited access to team training, access to a coach, and I'm going to delete these other 2. So after that first month, your first month is $297. Every month, you're either going to stem down here or this way. So let's check it out. After your first month, our regular package, our number 1 package is boot camp for $150. It's a 12-month commitment, right? Or your next package is this $247, which is boot camp and 2 one-on-ones per month, right? So first month $297. First month as it resets, not second month, but first month is $147 or $247. So again, it's $297 for the first month, but then you got another 12-month commitment. It turns into 13 months. Okay, 13 months. Now, all 4 of these packages have boot camp in them. Boot camp, boot camp, boot camp, boot camp. Except the green, the blue, and the pink have one-on-ones or semi-privates built in. So base package is $150 a month. That's just boot camp and strength, right? It's both. This one is boot camp and 2 semi-private sessions per month. This one is boot camp and 1 one-on-one session per week, right? Or semi-private session. $547 is boot camp with 2 one-on-ones per week, or boot camp with 3 one-on-ones or semi-privates per week, right? This is the big Holy Grail package. $147 is our best seller. My favorite package is the $397 because it allows you to get a one-on-one going on. Yeah, so those are my packages. $147, $250, $397, $547, and $697. Please do note that we bill on the whole dollar. So the $147 is $150, $247 is $250, $397 is $4, $550, and $700. We leave that $3 in there for